Now let's look at the ninth problem. Y is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. We need to find what is dy by dx. So if you observe the right hand side, it is of the form 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, we know it is sine 2 theta. So what we can do is we can use a substitution method. Put x is equal to tan theta. Then y will be equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This will be sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sine 2 theta. This will be equal to sine inverse of sine 2 theta, that is theta. So if x is tan theta, that implies tan inverse x is equal to theta, right? So since we got y is equal to 2 theta, then y can be written as 2 tan inverse of x. So this we know directly from the inverse trigonometry also. So y is equal to 2 tan inverse x implies differentiating on both sides, dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by 2 into derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Hence dy by dx will be equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Similarly, let's look at the 10th problem. For the 10th problem, y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. We need to find dy by dx. If you look at the right hand side, it is of the form 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So this value is nothing but tan 3 theta. Okay. So substitute, that is put x is equal to tan theta. Then what do we get? We get y is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. That is, we will get tan inverse of tan 3 theta. Then it is 3 theta. So y is equal to 3 theta. If x is written as tan theta, then theta will be equal to tan inverse of x. So substituting this value here, we will get y is equal to 3 tan inverse of x. Now differentiating on both sides, dy by dx will be equal to 3 into derivative of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So the required answer will be dy by dx is equal to 3 divided by 1 plus x square. Now let's look at the 11th problem. So the 11th question is y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. We need to find dy by dx. So for that, what we can do is, if you observe the right hand side, it is of the form 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is nothing but cos 2 theta. So the idea here is put x is equal to tan theta again, which implies theta will be equal to tan inverse x. So wherever x is there, substitute tan theta. Wherever theta is there, replace it with tan inverse x. So y will be equal to, if I substitute it here, then according to this form, it will be cos 2 theta. So it will be cos inverse of cos 2 theta, that is nothing but 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 into theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. So differentiating on both the sides, dy by dx will be equal to 2 into derivative of tan x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So the answer is 2 divided by 1 plus x square. So dy by dx will be 2 by 1 plus x square.